Hey, I'm Cesar. Today I want to explain you how to create an easy to use WhatsApp widget with an AI agent. The idea is to help your clients while it's at night, weekends, when you are not working. So let's do it together. The widget is going to help your clients ask for a budget, like, how big is your house, what type of service they want, they can see the price. But now what we are going to do, we are going to have an AI agent that is going to provide support to your clients. That's very easy. Let's add some data. We can take any website and we can put it here. So the AI is going to scan all the content and it's going to provide answers for your clients. This is done. All the data is here. So now your customers can ask. The AI is going to reply automatically to these clients while you are doing other things, sleeping, being with your family, or doing or working with clients. And for example, we can do something that is customized. No? For example, we can provide, if the customer asks for pricing, please tell them we will contact them as soon as possible with the budget. You can add specific content for specific answers. So how much. So now the AI, is going to reply when the AI understands the question is about pricing, for example. And also, the AI is smart, so can reply in any language. If I speak in Spanish, answer in English. Okay. So as you can see, the AI is super smart, works 24/7, works in any website. You can put this on your website, and we do not miss any single lead. You're going to have all the leads in your system, and the AI is going to give you support while you are working, being with customers, or being with your family, or sleeping. Okay, so let's put this in your website now, because this is going to help you 24/7. All right, thank you. Bye bye.